Are you just looking for a way to clean your cast iron skillet and you've been told to use salt, brushes, sponges, a wooden spoon, or even a potato? Well, stop. I got your answer right here. The simplest way to clean your cast iron skillets. Let's go. I'm going to show you how I clean my dirty Lodge cast iron skillet. See all this stuff caked on? I did a cheeseburger. So what I use is this little scrubby. Like stainless steel. I just use is hot water and this. See how it works. I just do circles around. Let the water run. No soap. That's it for scrubbing. Don't even worry about the outside. Let's take it over to the stove. Now immediately after you wash it, you want to take it over to your stove, turn it on high, put it on the burner, and then I let the heat just burn off all the water. Because that's what will kill these cast iron skillets is water. It makes them rust, so you want to make sure that you dry them off completely with the heat. Alright, once it's completely dry, cut off the heat, take some oil. This one is canola. What I'm doing is cleaning it out a little bit. Take some paper towel. Some people like to use an actual towel because the paper towel kind of pulls apart a little bit and leaves little strings behind. But you just coat it, and I do it. See how dark it is? I'll do another coat. You want to make sure you coat the whole inside. See how it starts to lose dirtiness? And that's it. Now it's nice and clean. You can just let it sit. And it's got a nice coating of oil on there. You can tell the difference between the first clean, second clean, and then usually before I use it again, I'll do one more wipe of the oil if it's just been sitting for a while. And that is all you have to do for a nice seasoned, clean cast iron skillet for your next cook. What you don't want to do is leave your skillets or wet in the sink. Make sure you always follow the steps. Scrub it, use the heat, and then put another coat of oil. I also have one of these plastic Lodge scrapers. You basically just can use this and scrape out all the big chunks of stuff that you have stuck in your pan. Just stick to one of these. This works perfectly. You really don't need this. If you like these pans, I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. And if you like this scrubbing pad, I'll put the link in the description below so you can buy it now. So hope you learned something. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for some more content of all things unrelated. Be different.